Hi, for today we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to fix unsupported resolution on Kinemaster. So with no further ado, let's start. So first is you have to make sure that your Kinemaster application is updated, and if it's updated, you can now proceed to our tutorial. So what you have to do is to click on the application, and as you can see here, I've already set up. So what you have to do is to click on media and choose the video. And if it says that the resolution is unsupported, so what you have to do is to go back here at the KineMaster homepage, and on the left side you will see settings. Click on settings and scroll all the way down and you will see advanced and experimental settings. So here you will see the show audio amplitude meter when recording video and many more. So as you can see, it's all turned off. So what you have to do is to find enable saving with up to 60 FPS and enable adding video clips with up to 240 FPS. So click on continue anyway and click on unlimited video layer mode. So if you turn this all off, then it could solve your problem because your video's FPS is maybe too high for the KineMaster, so we are going to adjust the FPS for the KineMaster, and that's it. That's how That's how you fix the unsupported resolution on Kinemaster. So if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click on that notification bell to keep you updated. Thank you for watching.